Hello everyone, welcome back. I am just having a little play today. I purchased these little hearts. They're little capsule cases, and I bought these a while back at Daiso, and I wanted to make some fun little Valentine shakers, I guess, So yeah, so let's get going. I'm just using this to kind of help contain my mess here. And I picked these up, I don't know, a while ago, maybe a couple years ago. And so I thought these would be perfect to put in here. And then I thought I'd put a little heart in there, a heart bead. I thought about putting all of them in there, or not all, but like spell out love. But I think I'll just do the one heart. And then I picked this pack up at Michael's this year. And so I thought I would put some of these in here. And I think what I'm going to do is make a few little spine dangle Valentine, either purse dangles or spine dangles. So I'll be doing a drop of these. So if you're interested, make sure to follow, and I'll let y'all know when the drop is going to happen. Yeah. So I hope everybody is doing well. It is cold, cold, cold here, which is no fun. I like using this is my little spoon I got from Tim Holtz Ideology. It's perfect for this. I also have these conversation hearts, but I have another project in mind for these. And these hearts are pretty big, so you can see I was able to put quite a bit of stuff in there. I love these little pink hearts. Now there's some little envelopes in this one as well. So I'm trying to not put more envelopes in there, but more of the lips and the hearts. These are so cute. Yeah, I might have to put one on my purse. I think that'll be really cute. And then this is basically like a bunch of glitter. And this bag, they had like sealed it shut by accident. So I had to cut it open. So I'm going to have to find another bag to store that in so it doesn't get everywhere. They had these little drops on here too, but I don't think I'm going to use those. And then here's some more, just some little hearts. And they say, be mine on there, and then some X's and O's, and then some other little hearts. So I'm putting a big one of these Valentines that say be mine, as well as a little one. And then put a couple of these, like they look like peppermints almost. Okay, let's see how that is looking. Oh, uh-oh. Okay, that's looking pretty good. I might want to add a little bit more. Let's see if I can pour all this in here without making too much of a mess. Okay. And then I think I'll put a little bit more of this in here. And then I'll show you how I seal these up. But I just was playing around today, so I thought I'd turn the camera on while I put these together. They're so cute. When I saw them at Daiso, I was like, oh, I could definitely do something with these. Oh, these are so cute, yeah. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so what I do is I just take my reptile glue, and there is an outer ridge on here that one sets into, and I know it's kind of hard to see on camera, but I am just going to go around that outer edge and put a tiny little bead of glue. And this reptile glue is great. It works on plastic, it works on glass, fabric. So if you haven't ever used reptile glue, I highly recommend it. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then put that heart back in there. And then get anything off of away from the edges that you can. And then just put that in place. And then if you have any extra glue, this glue will dry clear. And there we have it. Aren't they the cutest? I think those would be so cute dangling down from charms. Move that out of the way. They're so cute. So yeah, so super easy little project. I am going to look for some other beads to add to my little charms. So I'll come back and show you that part. I'm back. I have finished filling up all of the little hearts. They turned out so cute. Aren't they so cute? I love them. And now I went and pulled out, so I have just a bunch of, I went and looked for like pink and white and red beads. What I did find that I want to use, so I have these, pretty sure these are vintage little pearl drop beads. So I definitely want to include those on there, on the charms. I also have a bunch of different little keys. So I'll be including a key. And I have some different hearts. So I'll be including some different hearts on the charms. And then I have these cute little bows. So I'm going to put a bow on the charm. And I have these sweet little heart, little puffy heart appliques, I guess. I don't know what you'd call them. And I want to try to include those. I also have these crystal heart beads, and I want to try to incorporate that. And I have a butterfly and a bow, so I might use that on some of them. I don't have enough for all of them, so one will get a bow, one will get a butterfly. I also have some of these little beads that I might use, and I have these little beads that I might use, and I have these tassels, and I think I might include a tassel on them. And I pulled out some buttons, but I don't think I'm going to use a button because I'm going to be using chain. I did pick these out, but these might be too big. We'll see. I'll see. And then I picked out some more. I picked out all my different glass bead mixes that I have and just kind of went and looked for some of the pinks that I thought might look pretty on here. So it was fun kind of looking through my stash to see what I might have that could work. So I also got my eye pins here. And then I also have my straight pins. But my beads might be too big for the straight pins. And then I also have these little pieces of cake. And they're just so cute. And they have a silver little loop. But I have some gold ones. So I am just going to swap out the silver for the gold so that I can use it. And it helps just to use some pliers. To twist it in. So I think that's a great little hack. If you are wanting to keep it all one color tone, if you're able to change out the hardware, then change out the hardware. And so they'll each get a little piece of cake. I also have these little pink butterflies that I'll probably use. So yeah, and then I'll have this little guy on there. All right, so let me work on putting one together, and then I'll show you how it looks. Okay, I have my first one done. Move my beads out of the way. And I think it turned out so cute. It's hard to show you guys this way, but I really like it. So I have I did 3 strands of the gold chain. And so on the first strand, I have a key. I have that little pearl drop. I have some of the little seed beads with a butterfly. I have my little heart charm. And then I have the little leaf charm. And then on the middle strand, I have that cute little bow. I have the little piece of cake. And then I also had these little angel wings. So I did some more beads with the angel wings. And then I have the little heart shaker at the bottom of the middle one. And then over here I have a locket. And then I have a little string of beads with the bow. And then for this, I just used a bulb pin and put it through the heart. And then I added the tassel on the back. And then I added these big beads down here at the bottom. So I think that looks really cute. I'm trying to decide if I think it's too long and if I want to shorten it up. So I might make the next one a little bit shorter. But let me know what y'all think. If anyone is interested in buying one of these, you can email me at kentuckycrafter1@gmail.com. I will be selling a few of these. Probably about 4 or 5 of these I'll be selling. And they'll all be extremely similar to this. Yeah, almost identical. The heart might be a little bit different type of heart, or the key might look a little bit different, but everything else should be very similar, if not the same. But yeah, I love how these turned out. I can't wait to put it on my purse. You can also just clip it onto your journal as well. You can just put like a paper clip or like a bulldog clip, and then clip this to it. You could also, you could take this off and then put this through like a paper clip if you wanted to put it on a journal. So it's very flexible. I mean, you can also just leave the clip on there too if you want to put it on your journal. But I think these are so cute. I love the addition of this puffy heart and the tassel too. These shakers are just so cute. Really like how they came out. All right, guys. Well, that's it for now. I am going to continue to making. I'm going to make one a little bit shorter and not much. I made these chains about 3 inches, each of these chains. And so I might maybe go not much shorter, maybe 2.5, maybe, because if all that was kind of, yeah, I think I'll make one shorter and see if I like it at the 3 inches, the length of chain, or a 2-inch length of chain. I feel like if it's shorter though, you won't be able to see all the different charms, but we'll see. But yeah, email me if you're interested in purchasing one of these, and I'll talk to y'all in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.